Model: 2018 Citroën Berlingo L1 1.6 BlueHDi Enterprise ULEZ compliant MOT'D body, white, panel van mileage, 113651 MOT, 5 May 2024 engine, 1560 cc DV6 FE transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, air-con, cruise control EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £6,550. Click the link in the description.